So drama brewing in the bottom of the 8th inning. The I Cubs loaded the bases with 2 outs, but can't come through. We stay tied at 3 heading into the top of the 9th. Manuel Rodriguez, who spent time with the Chicago Cubs, coming in to try to hold the door here in the top of the 9th. He'll go up against Aaron Schickbackert, who walked and lined out to right field in his 2 appearances so far today. He'll swing and miss at the first pitch from Rodriguez, who stands with a 4.76 ERA in 34 innings pitched with the I Cubs.
Yeah, Manny Rodriguez can get up there with the fastball. We saw a first pitch off speed, though.
That ball will go high to even the count at 1-1. The Iowa Cubs got all 3 of their runs today in the bottom of the 4th inning. It started with a Darius Hill home run down the line, and then a double followed by a triple by Sergio Alcantara and Bryce Windham. This one will go over to shortstop, and the throw there will be made by Alcantara to record the first out of the 9th inning. We're underway here in drama time in Des Moines. It's been a great ball game so far. All 3 of Indianapolis's runs came in the top of the 2nd inning, and that was caused by 2 back-to-back base hits, followed by a couple small ball and 1 clutch little bloop single. That's how they got all 3. It's been zeros on the board across from there. This one dribbled all the way over to third base. Slaughter makes the throw out at first. 2 quick outs for Manuel Rodriguez, and Iowa is headed on their way to the bottom of the 9th inning, just 1 out away to go.
Yeah, a couple of jam shots there. I think the first play, or the first ball put in play by Shackelford might have broken his bat, and then delay there with a jam shot of his own over to third base. Nice plays by Slaughter and Alcantara, and wow, 2 quick outs on 4 pitches for Manny Rodriguez.
So Chris Owings has been a dangerous man so far today for the Iowa Cubs. 3 for 4, started the game off with a triple on the first pitch of the night, and he's got 2 of the 3 runs that the Indians have scored. He'll take a strike there to even the count at 1-1. 2 away here for Manuel Rodriguez. Owings is a player with 7 home runs on the year. To go with 17 RBI, he'll take a fastball upstairs to make the count 2-1. He's been the I-Cub killer so far in this one.
Yeah, you really want to get this 3rd out here. You don't want to have to face the 2, 3, 4 hitters and Castro Palacios and Andujar.
Big swing and a miss from Owings on the right side there. He's got that Evo Shield ankle strap, as he calls time, and steps out to reset with a 2-ball, 2-strike count. He said 3 hard hit base hits so far tonight. See if Manuel Rodriguez is only the 2nd one to set him down. The swing and miss. He got him on the tip. Strike 3. I-Cubs, we go to the bottom of the 9th inning here in Des Moines. All right, welcome back to Principal Park. Jacob Siciliano, Ian Paprocki alongside with you in the bottom of the 9th inning. It's been a great one to go so far. The Iowa Cubs and Indianapolis Indians tied at 3 apiece before we get here into the bottom of the 9th inning. Let's go around the league, check out some of the other scores in minor league baseball. Jacksonville and Nashville. The Nashville Sounds up 12-8 in that one. Now we're looking for their 50th win of the season. Las Vegas and Salt Lake just got started, and Las Vegas is already up 5-0 in the first inning. St. Paul beat Omaha 5-2 earlier today, and Reno is winning against Round Rock 2-1 in the top of the 9th. I'd say so far this is the best one in minor league baseball. 3-3. All those runs have come in just 2 half innings. We go to the bottom of the 9th. The I-Cubs getting loud here in Des Moines.
Big moment in this game. Bottom of the 9th, we're tied up. Matt Mervis leads it off. Into the game for the Indians is Hunter Stratton, the big right-hander, to try and send this game to extras.
Stratton will deliver to Mervis, and I don't know if there's a guy that you would want up there more than Matt Mervis in this situation. He's 0 for 2 today with a walk, but if there's one guy who can end it with the swing of the bat, it's Matt Mash Mervis.
Yeah, he's due for a big hit. Maybe a walk-off homer, or even a nice hit in the gap to just get that winning run in scoring position. We'll see what he can do here.
Mervis hitting exactly 300 coming into this game as he takes a pitch on the inside corner for ball 2. 2 balls and a strike with none out. He's got 2 walks on the day. He's 0 for 2 otherwise, making contact. He'll make contact with this one, but it's foul, and that'll even the count at 2-2 with none out and a 96-mile-an-hour fastball.
We might have got a piece of Mervis. He's walking around a little bit, regaining himself and ready to get back in here.
Hunter Stratton on the mound for the Indians is 2-4 with 38 innings pitched. He's got 49 Ks and 24 walks. Touts a 5.45 ERA and a whip of 1.55. He goes against Mervis here. He's got 9 home runs on the season, and he's going to bloop this one up high on the infield over towards first base. And Shackelford makes the grab on the move. That ball had some drag to it and some carry, but he gets it for the first out at the bottom of the 9th.
It looks a little bit unconventional. He wasn't really camped under it, kind of moving a little bit to his left and his right, stuttering a little bit, but he does get under it finally and make the play. And Matt Mervis frustrated as he heads back to the dugout. Edwin Rios will have another opportunity after his long single last time out.
Yeah, Rios put one off the wall, but kind of looked at it. He's going to ground this one over to first base. The play by Strakeford will be made and taken for the second out. So 2 quick outs here for the Indians. And if the I-Cubs can't get something going with 2 here, we'll be looking to head to extras.
Looking ahead to extras, and you got to think about who Indianapolis has due up in the 10th. The 2-hitter, the 3-hitter, and the 4-hitter. So it's going to be a tall task. It'd be nice for the Iowa Cubs to be able to end this game right here. And Jake Slaughter is the man to try and do it.
Iowa Cubs got all of their runs in the bottom of the 4th inning with 2 outs. And Slaughter will try to get something going for the I-Cubs. Walks have been a story in this game. There have been multiple surrendered by both sides. See if he can draw one here on get on base. The baseball analogy is a bloop and a blast. All the I-Cubs need is a blast in this one to walk home victorious. Slaughter with 1 ball count will foul this one back to even it at 1-1. Behind Slaughter is Darius Hill, Chase Strumpf, and Sergio Alcantara. The bottom of the order has been responsible for a lot of the production of the offense in today's game. It's Darius Hill with the long ball in the 4th. This is only his 2nd home run of the year, but he showed the power today. This one is going to be bloop. There is your bloop for Jake Slaughter into right center field. He goes 1 for 4 so far on the night, and he gets on for Darius Hill. Hill is 2 for 4 tonight with that home run. He had another sharply hit ball that went off the pitcher. He's been seeing it well tonight. See if he can hit it well here as he draws the line for his front foot, steps in the box on a 1-tap.
Big opportunity for Darius Hill. Like you said, he is seeing the ball really well.
2 outs here, bottom of the 9th. Stratton gets set to deliver. First pitch to Hill goes inside for ball 1. This is a big sequence. You get it out, you send your guys home into extra innings. If Darius Hill gets on, it spells trouble. The 1-0 delivery comes from Stratton. That one hit towards shortstop. That's going to be fielded. The throw to first in time, inning over. We go to the top of the 10th. Ian Paprocki gets your call. We got free baseball here on the Iowa Cubs Radio Network, 88.1 FM.